O'NO99, how to play. The object of the game is to avoid getting 99 or more points. Shuffle the deck and deal 4 cards to each player, placing the remainder of the deck face down as a draw deck. Players look at their own cards but keep them hidden from others. The player left of the dealer goes first, then play proceeds clockwise. On your turn, you must play 1 card from your hand face up to a central discard pile, adding its value to that pile, then announcing the new total. You then draw 1 card from the deck and end your turn. If you forget to draw, then you continue the game with 1 fewer card in your hand. The special helper cards you can play are Hold. The value of the discard stays the same. Reverse. The value of the discard stays the same, and the direction of play changes and goes the opposite way. If playing with 2 players, a reverse does the same as a hold. -10. Subtract 10 from the discard's total value. It is legal for the discard value to be a negative number. Double play. The value of the discard stays the same, but the next player in turn order must play 2 cards on their turn instead of 1, drawing 1 card after each play. You are allowed to play a reverse or hold as the first card after a double play in order to send the double play condition to another player. You may not play a double play card as the first card from a double play. A O'NO99 card brings the value of the discard to 99, instantly losing you the game. The first player to bring the value of the discard to 99 or more points loses. You can also play for points over multiple rounds. To do so, at the beginning of the game, give each player 3 chips. Each time a player loses a round, they lose a chip. Once you lose all 3 chips, then the next time you lose, you are out of the game. The last player remaining wins.